writing a first Python code in Jupyter Notebook. All you got to do is type in Jupyter Notebook in Google, then open the Jupyter Notebook. You see something like this, and then go down, try in your browser, then open the try classic notebook. So this opens in your browser. Once this is open, close this. These are all cells. Close these cells. You can cut it from here, cut it from here, cut it from here. Then in this cell we learn writing about print statement in Python. All you need to do is type print, open, close the parenthesis. Here you give double quotes here. Then you can write whatever you want to write to print. I write here hello world. So I'll explain you what this statement is. You're asking the Python to print whatever within the curved brackets, within the brackets here, within the parentheses here, you're asking the Python to print. So within these brackets we have written hello world. If you run it, it will print like that. For example, if you have to write exactly similarly in order to write. For example, we can write 1 2 3 here, it prints 1 2 3 there. But if you write capital P, it may not work. You get an error. So we should write small p, small print here. So this is about writing print statements in Python.